Casey, what you're doing. Oh, that was nice. Look at that, made in Canada. You don't see that too often anymore. Well, there is fucking no way to get that out of there without fucking just fucking using brute force, I don't think. First time I ever got a cat off with a pry bar. Good grief. Almost wasn't gonna come. Oh, that was attached, eh? Just stoved in there. Oh, I love stoving relentless. Get the fuse box off it and the tail lights out of it, the rims off it, and we gotta go. High-end car audio available here at Inwood Phoenix. 320 watts. This thing must have just bumped. Eh? There must have been all type of bump noises coming out of this thing for sure. What do you think? Probably. Eh? Just about ready. One more wheel, we're out of here. A couple straps maybe, I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Alright, well, we're ready to go. Bring this one in, see what happens. There. Best fries. Crazy. Tipboard made me one of them. Oh, it's delicious, terrible. Oh, I'm a whirring spoocialist, boys. Oh my friggin' goodness. What have I even done to my truck? Oh, let me just set that down here quick, but I'm trying to figure out a dash cam. Had a guy, you know, there's a cube in front of me, guy passed the oncoming trailer, this and that. It's just, man, that would have been the shot. Terrible. I mean, that guy is a goof. Could have got him on a movie. So definitely need to get that sorted out. So what that ended up being was the ground. Like I went over a big bump, and the ground seemed to have dislodged itself. So figured that out. And then the gauges we were That was a faulty wire here, but you can hear this. I don't know if you can hear it or not. Surely you can hear that. So what was happening was I was just trying to look for the wire. I cracked this open, I grabbed the thing, and I'm tracing it back to find the one under here. And then I could hear that noise, and I'm like, you know, it sounded almost like the radio was turned on, like static in a speaker or something, but it's just whatever noise these garbage glow shift gauges make. So then, you know, I've just kind of, you know, we got all these garbage electrical tape friggin' Inwood custom peony under there, terrible. So I ended up, you know, it was just that wired shuck loose there. So I'm going to solder that on there, and then the blinker. And it's not just the one words, it's the both words. So we've got rear blinkers, but of course they're blinking fast. Both taillights seem to have blinkers. The trailer doesn't have blinkers at all, and the front doesn't have blinkers at all. So I'm gonna, like, I don't even know, I'm gonna change the friggin' the stovepipe. I tested all the friggin' stovepipes and they all test out. And check this out. See the seatbelt light? Unplug that, plug that back in. I mean, obviously we got a hot and a ground, and then the other two, so I just touched the other two together there, and it's like having your seatbelt on. Scores! So yeah, there's another thing we fixed. Now I just got to figure out these blinkers. I don't think it's the fuse box, because you can hear the clicker. It's an internal clicker. I don't know. So you got these little internal relays. I've had the son of a bitches open before, but you get the little dingleberry breaks off in there, and your blinker no work. It just fatigues on that little edge. Oh, three things after another. Now we got the check engine light on. Okay, it's out. Decent. And we got no seatbelt light. I hooked the ground up for the stovepipes, got the glow shifts working again. I apologize, it was faulty wiring, but they are completely junked and I'll never buy anything glow shift again. Moomastook. Unplug a bunch of that bullshit and plug it into this one and see if it doesn't fix, but it's how much for something. So I gotta quit. Fucking diesel, we're on a roll today, boy. Still gotta friggin' cut the cat off rims, a couple things. I'm gonna remove the tail lights and stuff out of this one. Yeah, I might even take that rear bumper, you never know. Fuck, somebody give me $50, $100 for that. Alright, got the new one in there. It's missing the friggin' antler to attach it to the friggin' fender, so that's awesome. It's just friggin' awesome. Oh, please, mother lord. Nope. Nope. Oh, yeah, that's enough out of you. Well, it's not the fuse box. Ever seen anything like that in your life? Yeah. Both bulbs were broken. I don't know how many times I've done that. Tear the whole friggin' truck apart, and it's a bulb. Eh? But what are the chances of both of them going out at the same McCigarette like that? But this bulb, good friggin' grief, pug one, no good, Something must have happened to blow that up like that. Both of them. Come on. Pug one no good, but a little bit good. Pug one no good, but a little bit good. Oh, she's a coming, boys. I best hurry. Hey? But I pulled the fuse panel out of this one. Look at that. Hey? That was a good one. It's got like a dual stovepipe onto it and stuff. So, yeah, freaking nice. Probably be able to use that in a projectile. Look at all the bits. Headlights, taillights, snozz, speakers, windshield wipers, hood, friggin' pusher, antler, risers, brakes, fuse boxes, stereos, friggin' holy suffering. Scores for the formats over here. Friggin' cut the OnStar out of onwood. Eh? Friggin' cut the friggin' OnStar right out of onwood. Some sort of Motorola stovepipe. I don't know. I'm assuming that's what it is. OnStar, no go. A couple more shock absorbers on the trunk there and a for sale sign. And who'd a friend? Oh, dick, boys. Friggin' gurgle bus out in force. No more Robbie. Hey, probably got their shit together now. Imagine. Ah, that's all she wrote, boys. Shut her down. Oh, dick. Tire hard no go. Two different color floor mats from two different cars, same brand. Go figure, eh? Bulbs. Both of them. Not just burned out. Like somebody knocked a bottle toker hole into it or something. Anyways, boys, I got all type of shit to do, so appreciate you freaking hanging out for a bit there. Doing a little scrapping, doing a little truck fixing, doing a little hoard collecting. But anyways, boys, big appreciatory vow to the Patreomics, early bitches, Sunday fun days, friggin' name across the chooch, friggin' you love the kind terrible. And other than that, how about a finger fudge, get on that like button, couple bitches for me, but hundreds, boys, big my partner, we cheat, go another big bum, until tomorrow.
Don't let the waters get you.